Tata Panes, andito, Rodel Kabitbit, and Mati Ramble, Easy Boy, Bilamusada, S Boy, and Daanoy, and Bitoy from Surala, mga doon. Underbot, or damay natin. Karaljas, Rodel Kabitbit. Grabe. All shot sana, Rodel Kabinbin. Kaso bad start mga do, bad start. Boy, continue. Continue. May natira. Si ano, Bilamusada. Dalawa. Naiwan ang dalawa. Leading on the race by Christian Tata Panes. On the second spot by Madirable. On the third spot by Yes Boy, Rodel Kabitbit, Bitoy and Bob Samyo. Shot, full shot. Leading on the race by Christian Panes. Yes Boy, on the second spot. On the third spot by Madirable, followed by Rodel Kabitbit and this boy, and Bitoy. Grabe, still leading on the race by Christian Panes. On the second spot by Yes Boy, followed by Madirable and Rodel Kabitbit. By Morselias. Morselias pala naiwan mo doon. Morselias and Bilamusada ang naiwan sa starting gate. Yan, first spot natin, Christian Panes. Yes Boy, Madirable and Rodel Kabitbit. Bitoy and Team Daanoy. Christian Panes. White flag is up. White flag is up. White flag is up mga ano. Christian Panes still leading on the race. On the second spot by Madirable. Approaching for checkered flag. Approaching for checkered flag. Christian Panes followed by Madirable. On the third spot by Rodel Kabitbit. Kabitbit Racing Team, followed by S Boy and Bitoy. Leading for checkered flag mga do. For the final lap, Christian Panes. On the second spot by Madirable. And the third spot by Rodel Kabitbit by Kabitbit Racing Team. Kim Daanoy. Yan. Underbone open for the champion mga dol, Christian Tata Panes. Yon, grabe, sulit mga dol. Yan, shoutout din sa mga tropa natin dyan ha, by Team KBRT, by Gawang Boy Racing Team of Esperanza, Sultan Kudarat, by sa isang tropa rin natin, Mayang. Yon, shoutout, champion na naman mga do. Congratulations sa lahat. Next run 40 up, 40 up.